Today we will see the following things: configuring internet information server for website access, opening default website and its content, open www.nos.ed.om website, then create a new website with your name. Okay, so here I will show you first the handout. Okay, so where we what we have done already is, let's wait, let's see recent screenshot. They have I have already configured the service www, right? Any internet information server I already installed. These are the steps. So go to the server, manage add role feature, next role based, next wc web server iis. Okay, add feature, next, again next, keep on clicking next. Finally, install the IIS Internet Information Server for opening and configuring websites or web pages. So we installed. One more thing we should do: turn off the Internet Explorer enhanced security feature. So in the local server dashboard, we have IE and Internet Explorer enhanced security configuration. If it is on, by default it is on. So what happens? More security is being added. So what happens now? Sometimes we try to open a website which is customized, no, which you made, it will not be open because of security reasons. So what we do, disable that feature so that we can open any website for the experimental purpose. We have to disable this. Go and click on, make it off. Until this one I have already done. Now I am going to do the remaining part. Okay, for that I am opening my server. My server is here. I am opening the college lab. Okay, so this is my server. So see, Internet Explorer IE enhanced security configuration is off. Then in the tools, after installing that IIS, you could see IIS here. Okay, this one. This is the IIS manager window. There, first thing I will open the default website. So go to the server name, then sites. Default website is there. Right click, explore. So here, this one I just created, I will delete. Okay, I'll delete later. This is not by default available. By default available is these two, IIS start page and PNG, a picture file. So this picture file will open when we open a default website. Okay, so I'm going to open a default website. This is my default website. Website will look like this. Where this is stored, see here in the C drive, inet folder, www root folder. There we have the default file. This is the one I created for my activity. So I will delete this one. Okay. So this is a by default file. Just double click this one. You could see the default website. From where we get this picture, I already have an image file. That path is put inside the HTML file. You know, this is HTML coding. Okay. To see the coding, right click and open with Notepad. Okay. You could see the coding. How do we get the web page? See, the image file name is here. Image source is iis.png file. This is the name of this file. Okay, now double click this one. It opens in Internet Explorer. Now I will type localhost. I'll get the same page. Okay. Then the IP address of my server, that also I will type 172.16.1.2. I'll get the same page. Now what I need is, I want to open a website www dot, and you know our domain name is, I'll show you my domain name, nos.ed.om. I want to create a website. I want to open a website www.nos.edu.om. For that, first thing, so what I need is, when I open web, see, I opened that Internet Explorer. Okay, when I type here, instead of 172.16.1.2, I will type a domain name, website name, www.nos.edu.om. I will get the, I need to get the web page, right? Default website. How I get this? First thing is, I want to add a host name, you know, DNS. Okay, In the DNS, the server should understand what I am going to open. I want to open a web page. The address is 172.16.1.2. But instead of typing 172.16.1.2, I will type www.nos.edu.in. How I will get? I have to go to tools. I have to go to DNS server. In the DNS server, we have a zone. In the forward lookup zone, this zone, I want to create a new host. So right click, new host. The name of the host is www. Automatically, full name will be www.nos.edu.om. I'll give the IP 172.16.1.2. Just click add host. Actually, I already added this host here, so I no need to repeat again. When you are doing, you have to right click this one. I told you how to add a host. New host, add www. Automatically, the full name will come. Then IP address, add host. Now I am going to test this is add or not. So I will go to Explorer. I will type. I will type www.nos.edu.om. Okay, you will get the web page. Okay, 1 minute. Let me take this call. Just finish that call. Okay, so I'll take my server again. So it is coming now. What I will do, I want to create a new website and I will customize the content. I don't want to see this default page. I want to see different messages. So what I will do, first thing is I want to go to the folder. Okay, so where is that folder? C drive, C drive, and it pub www root. Okay, so what I will do is I will create a new folder. Okay, example, I want to create a website in the name www dot shinas dot college name, no, so shinas dot edu.om, nos.edu.om. Okay, so I'll make the name of the folder as shinas. Okay, then to create a web page you need a html file, no, so I'll make a notepad first, new text document, sorry, not rich document, new text document. Okay, I think because of the network speed issue, I think this remote access, no, so the mouse is not properly working. Of a new text document, so shinas, not shinas, it should be index. Okay, not shinas, sorry, index. Every html file opens with index file, so index, make it html coding, html. Okay, inside html head, inside that body, inside that p for text. Okay, then what is the message I want to type? This is web page for Utah's chinas, like this. You also have to type something here. Okay, after that close the body with this tag, then close the head with this tag, then close the html with this tag. Okay, see, because of speed issue. Now what I will do, I will just copy, and maybe I will leave this, so I will just copy this one, then I will go for save as. In which format you have to save? It is index.html file. I have to save this is index.html file. Okay, so I will save this one, as we have two files. After that, what I will do, so go to the tools IIS. Okay, I told you I want to create a new website, right? So before you create this one, you have to make a host here. Okay, so DNS, inside DNS, what I will do, go to this nos.od, we have to add a new host. Right click, new host. I want to make the website as www.shinas. Okay, so www.shinas. When I type this, automatically full name will be www.shinas.nos.edu.om. Why Mr. nos.edu.om is coming? Because it is our domain pre-configured file. So IP address same the server IP. Okay, 192.168. Okay, add host. It's added successfully. Now you want to create, this is only host. Okay, now you want to create, add a website, right? So for that, go to IIS, again IIS. So not this one, this is IIS. Okay, here inside this, add website. Okay, so website path, you have to choose the path. So I'll go to C drive where I created that HTML file. Okay, go to C drive, inetpub www root, click the Shinas folder. Now what is the IP address of the server? 172.16.1.2. What is the name of the website? www.shinas.nos.edu.om. Okay, now we need the site name, the same thing. I am typing the host name, copy pasting host name, same site name. Okay, so which one? www.shinas.nos.edu.om. This is the one I want to create. So create site, giving the name, where is the path, choose the folder, then what's IP address, what is the protocol, HTTPS, I don't want security, just HTTP, and port number 80. Then hostname. If it's HTTPS, I need more security, I'll go for HTTPS, and port number will be 443. But I'm not using that, and I'm just using this basic website. Okay. After this, what I will do, I'll go to the browser and I will type the host name www.chinas.nos.edu.om. See, this website, this is a web page for Utah Chinas. This is what you have to do in your exam. Already this is configured. You have to create a new website. Okay, just like I will give you www dot your first name dot nos dot edu.om. So what you will do, first you should go and create a folder in your name. Okay, example asma, so create a folder asma in the C drive inetpub www folder. Inside the folder you need an index file, and I will type the, give the message. Okay, this is the website for asma that you have to type there, so you should come here. Okay, after that go to tools DNS, create a host name asma, www.asma, so full name will be www.asma.nos.edu.om. Then you should go to IIS and create a new website or add a new website. Then type www.exampleasma.nos.edu.om. Then physical path, choose the path, C drive, inside C drive, inetpub, inside inetpub, www root there. Here I created Shinas. You have to create a folder already. Which one? Asma, example. Choose that folder. Then type IP address. Example IP address may be same 172.16.1.2. Hostname www.asma.nos.edu.om. Click OK. Then go to the browser and open like I show you know. Same thing you have to do. This is what you have to do for the whatever activity, midterm or practical test. If I give you this question, create a new website www.yourname.nos.edu.om. You have to do these steps. Okay, that's all for today. All of you, see you later. Bye.